Most of us don't want to do something illegal. Still, there's a bit of a rush when we hear about someone's dastardly deeds, especially when they're elaborate, well-planned crimes. We will always be intrigued, and a good heist story is no exception. There's more than enough of cool people stealing things to keep us entertained for years to come. Here's a list of 10 of the best heist movies of all time. On number 10, we have Ocean's 11.
Fantastic. The heist is impossible.
Casino security cannot be beaten. You're out of your minds.
Exactly.
Congratulations. You're a dead man.
George Clooney, Matt Damon, Andy Garcia, Brad Pitt, and Julia Roberts. Ocean's 11.
On number 9.
Create the world of the dream. We bring the subject into that dream, and they fill it with their secrets.
Then you break in and steal it.
Well, it's not strictly speaking legal. It's called Inception. I think I found a way home. And this last job, that's how I get there. Dreams feel real while we're in them. It's only when we wake up that we realize something is actually strange. I'd hate to see out of control.
On number 8.
Ready, set, and crack!
Ludwig Dieter. Safecracker extraordinaire.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner!
We've been watching you.
On number 7.
You want to be making moves on the street, have no attachments, allow nothing to be in your life that you cannot walk out on in 30 seconds flat if you spot the heat around the corner.
In the city of Los Angeles.
Recognize the MO? MO is that they're good. If you think these guys are scoring points and passing through, I doubt it.
A relentless police detective is on the trail
What do we got?
of a master thief.
You're fugitive number 1 with a bullet. It's double the risk here.
You're wrong. It's 4 times the risk, and I'm double the worst trouble you ever had.
Clear!
And his reckless partner.
The bank is worth the risk. We should take it down.
I want full surveillance, 24 hours, round the clock. We never close, open 7 days a week.
Assume they got our phones, assume they got our houses, assume they got us.
And bye-bye.
They get more daring with every score.
What's the estimate?
12.2 million.
You're on.
But one cop
He's here. Feel it.
is closing in.
Whatever score they're gonna take next, they're gonna have the surprise of a lifetime.
Now, for the first time, Academy Award winner Al Pacino and Academy Award winner Robert De Niro collide.
If I'm bad, I gotta put you away. Okay, you are going down.
What if you do got me boxed in, and I gotta put you down?
On number 6. On number 5.
I'm sorry, brother. Sorry that I brought you into this. I just wanted things to be the way they used to be.
Does your wife know you're Rob Banks?
not the bad guys. We're just the guys trying to get home.
We don't get to walk off into the sunset!
Danny, everybody knows how dangerous you are.
Do you?
You get your helos out of here now! I'm gonna get you back home, little brother. I'm gonna get everybody home.
On number 4.
Hey, pay attention. This is yours. Most important thing, keep your finger off the trigger at all times, unless you need to shoot somebody. When that happens,
3170, we're being held up.
hold it until you run dry.
Dispatch! We are under heavy fire!
Where you from? Where your grandma stayed, huh?
We just shoot you.
You're not the bad guys. We are.
Seem like the whole city go against me.
On number 3.
The next 45 minutes, we own this place, gentlemen. Let's go.
The plan was flawless.
Okay, Steve, it's right above you.
The heist was perfect. The escape was clean.
We just stole $35 million worth of gold without even holding a gun.
The only threat was the one they never saw coming.
Gold is coming to us. Gridlock every route except for the one we choose. Force that truck to go exactly where we want it to go.
Stop them before they hit the street.
Mark Wahlberg.
This is it, guys. Moment of truth. Open the door!
Edward Norton.
We made our play, and I came out on top.
You've got no imagination.
What happened to my truck?
The Italian Job.
On number 2.
1, 2, 3.
Everyone in this room was a victim of hard times.
Some of you lost your homes, your cars, and so tonight,
We're gonna return some of that money back to you.
thank you, everyone. Good night.
Your bank was the distraction while they set up the real trick.
Expose them now and destroy them.
It's really going to amaze.
On number 1.
Recently I planned and set in motion events to execute the perfect bank robbery.
Everybody get down on the floor now!
Why? Because I can.
You're the hostage negotiator.
That's right, Detective Frazier. This is Detective Mitchell. What do you got?
Put on one of these suits and these masks.
We gotta step back and look at this thing from a distance. Things are not all they appear to be.
Another drill! Back up! Back up!
One jumbo jet with full gas tank and pilots at JFK parked in the runway. We give you till 9 p.m. to do this, then we'll kill one hostage every hour. Till I talk to them, they get nothing, not even a cup of coffee.
Whoever heard of bank robbers escaping on a plane with 50 hostages? I think you're stalling. Why? I don't know.
Clive Owen. When I said that I planned the perfect bank robbery, I meant precisely that.
What are you doing? Come on, this ain't no bank robbery.
Inside Man.